narrator, may I help you? Hello?
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 Yep.
Hello, can I make the order today for the pickup, please?
Pardon?
I want to make the order today for the pickup, please.
For pickup, right? Okay, so what do you like?
Yes. Do you have the, Okay, let me get the 2 order of the spring roll.
2 order spring roll? It's 2, just 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have the, what about the Negro noodle?
The noodle? Lo mein?
Yes. Yes.
What kind of lo mein?
Can I have 1 order of the busak noodle?
What kind of noodle?
Yeah, okay, can I make the order today for the pickup, please?
Yeah, you pick up, right? I know.
Yes. I think a soup be better, right?
Yeah. Can you hold a second?
Are you Chinese?
Hello?
Are you Chinese?
Yes.
No, look here, I speak a Vietnamese.
No, this is Chinese restaurant.
Yes. Can I make the order today for the pickup, please?
You want to take out, right?
Can I make the order today for the pickup, please?
Pick up.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you like?
Okay, let me get the 2 order of the spring roll.
2-piece spring roll, yes.
Yes.
Anything else?
1 order of the poo-poo platter dump on my chest.
Poo-poo platter?
Yes.
Alright. Anything else?
I think a soup be better, right?
Is that right?
Yes.
You have your phone number here. I can call the police if you bullshit around here.
Can I speak to somebody that can speak Vietnamese, please?
I can call the police right now.
The 310?
You want me to call the police?
1338.
Alright?
Yes.
You want me to call the police? Okay, bye.
I come and I fuck you today.
Hello?
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 Motherfucking guy, why the hell you hang up on me?
Hey, you a motherfucker?
The 3 order.
Are you the motherfucker?
Extra large.
Hey,
no.
Go fuck your mother, alright? Go fuck around here.
No.
Fuck you, asshole.
No.
Go fuck you, asshole. No. Go fuck you, asshole. Go fuck your mother, alright?
I don't need to come to your face, right?
Fuck you.
Too much personal, right? I don't want to boom, you know?
Asshole, you wanna fuck again? Go fuck your mother, alright?
Motherfucking guy, why the hell you hang up on me? Like a somebody, fuck you, bitch! You fuck you, bitch. You very cheap. Like a somebody, fuck you, bitch! Hello? 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 Are you stupid?
Hello.
Like a somebody, fuck you, bitch!
Hello.
So I fuck your grandmother.
You wanna fuck your mother?
I come with 2 chopsticks, I shove up your ass.
Go fuck your mother,
I
alright?
come with 2 chopsticks, I shove up your ass. Oh shit! I come to you right now, and we do this, you know, 1-on-1.